Ever wondered where the digital treasure trove of cryptocurrencies is stashed? Picture a cybernetic stronghold, a digital fortress where your precious digital trove of cryptocurrencies take refuge. It's a crypto wallet. This ingenious invention is not just a mere storage house. It's the gateway to an exhilarating expedition in the vast, unexplored universe of digital currencies. This wallet, your digital sanctum, is your passport to the enchanting cosmos of digital wealth. It's not just about safekeeping, it's your personal command center, your key to access, manage, and your digital fortune. Welcome, dear adventurer, to the thrilling odyssey that is the crypto cosmos. So, what is this enigma we call a crypto wallet? Imagine it as your clandestine treasure chest hidden in the vast expanse of the digital realm. It is an impregnable fortress safeguarding your precious digital gems, accessible only to you. Think of it as your personal command center, a nucleus of operations where your crypto wealth resides under your surveillance. Isn't it exciting? You have given up on traditional forms of wealth like paper bills or heavy metal coins to deal with elusive and desirable virtual currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. But how does this chest of secrets work? It's like a thrilling game of secrets and codes. It uses cryptographic keys, dual digital keys for ultimate protection. Key is like a beacon, shining bright for everyone to see. It's the address you share to receive your digital treasures. The private key, on the other hand, is like the ancient cryptic password, a key to your secret treasure vault. This key is meant for your eyes only. If it slips the hands of pirates, your digital riches are in jeopardy. Now comes the magical part, the blockchain. Every time you trade your cryptos, it's etched into this arcane digital ledger. The mysterious dance between your crypto wallet and the blockchain orchestrates transfers and receipts of cryptocurrencies. Your private key authenticates these transactions, confirming that they were indeed authorized by you, the master of the treasure. This ensures every transaction is cloaked in unimpeachable security and credibility. Ultimately, the crypto wallet is akin to a cryptex, unlocking the door to the exhilarating world of digital currency. It not only shields your digital riches, but also regulates your transactions, assuring that only you, armed with your private key, can lay claim to your digital bounty. Having unraveled the mystery of what a crypto wallet is, let's plunge into the heart of the digital universe. Imagine a world with no tangible cash. It's a world that thrives on digits and codes rather than paper and coins. How would you keep this digital currency safe? The answer lies in the incredible invention of the crypto wallet. This is not just your storage vault for digital assets, but your personal command center in the financial cosmos of the crypto world. With a crypto wallet, you don't just have control over your wealth, you have the power to shape its destiny, free from the restrictions of traditional banking institutions. But what about the guardianship of my treasure, you ask? Without the impenetrable fortress of a crypto wallet, your digital fortune is like an unguarded gold mine exposed to threats and losses. But fear not. Crypto wallets employ formidable encryption techniques, fortifying your treasure against unauthorized intrusions. They are your personal bodyguards in the digital landscape. And let's not forget privacy. Crypto wallets are your clandestine agents, ensuring complete anonymity during transactions. Banking systems that demand personal information, crypto wallets respect your privacy, keeping your financial activities under the radar. Further, crypto wallets are your keys not just to wealth, but to freedom as well. Regardless of where you are in the world, from the skyscrapers of New York to the secluded islands of the Pacific, your digital wealth is just a click away, anytime, anywhere. In essence, a crypto wallet is your magic, letting you navigate the expansive and thrilling universe of cryptocurrency with ease and agility. Remember, a wallet just a tool, it's your unmistakable guide and loyal companion in the dynamic world of crypto. As we embark on this extraordinary odyssey into the cryptoverse, remember your first step is not just a choice, but a commitment. Your crypto wallet, it isn't just a digital pocket. It's your personal emblem, your unique key, a reflection of your digital self. This tool is not just an enabler, it's your navigator in the vast ocean of cryptocurrency. Your crypto wallet isn't about mere storage. It's more like a passport into the new world, a testament to your adventurous spirit, your willingness to embrace novelty, and your aspiration to stride into the world of decentralized finance. This isn't a mere observation deck, it's a stage for participation, not a tourist in this revolution. You're a revolutionary. You're part of a deterministic force that's scripting the future of finance, technology, and society. Recall, the wallet you choose isn't about convenience or aesthetics, but a symbol of who you are and the remarkable journey you're about to undertake. Choose wisely. Forge your path into the cryptoverse. It's not just a portal, it's your individual gateway into this thrilling new realm. Prepare yourself, for this is the dawn of an epic voyage.